Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between extension and contraction of demand. Basically, extension means when price decreases and demand increases, it is called extension of demand. And contraction means when price increases and demand decreases, it is called contraction of demand. So basically, in case of extension of demand, we can simply write it as when price decreases and demand increases, it is called extension of demand. And in case of contraction of demand, price is increasing and demand is decreasing, it is called contraction of demand. So in case of extension and contraction, there will be movement along the curve as the demand is changing due to change in price level. So when there is any change in demand due to change in price level, then there will be movement along the curve. We will, or we can represent it in a table and graphically as well. So here I am going to make a table for price and demand. Like for example, price is 10, then it goes to 20, then it goes to 15 and 20. At price 10, there are 30 people who are willing to this product. When price increases from 10 to 15, there are now 25 people who are willing to buy the product, and when price goes from 15 to 20, there are only 10 people who are willing to buy this product. So we can draw this table here graphically. On y-axis we are going to price level, and on x-axis we are going to take quantity demand level. So the first price level is 10, the second price level is 15, and the third price level is 20. Then 10, 15, 25 and 30. So when the price is 10, the quantity demand is 30. When the price level is 15, the quantity demand is 25. When price is 20, the quantity demand is 10. So when we join this graph, the points we will be having the demand curve. So if we let assume that A is the our initial point level, so when the price is 15, that quantity demand is 25. So when price goes from 15 to 20, we are moving from point A to point B. As you can see, their price is increases from 15 to 20, the demand is decreases from 15 to 25 to 10. So the movement from A to B is called contraction. So the movement from A to B is called contraction. And when the price goes down from 15 to 10, the demand increases from 25 to 30. So if we assume this point as C, so when we are moving from point A to C, the price is going down from 15 to 10, and the demand is increasing from 25 to 30. So the movement from point A to C is called extension of demand. So in case of contraction and extraction, we will be having only one demand curve, and it is called movement along the curve.